How do I get in touch with Verizon customer support to report an issue with my internet connection?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss how you can get in touch with Verizon customer support to report an issue with your internet connection. It can be frustrating when your internet goes down, but don't worry, Verizon has several channels of support available for you.
Via phone call.
The first and most direct way to contact Verizon is by phone. They provide 24/7 customer service, and you can reach them on their dedicated customer service line. The contact number may vary depending on your location, so ensure to check your bill, contract, or the Verizon website to get the correct number.
Through Verizon's online chat.
Another way to contact Verizon's customer support is through their online chat service. This is a great alternative if you're unable to make a phone call. To use this, you'll need to visit the Verizon website, find the Contact Us or Support section, and select the chat option. From there, you can discuss your internet issue with a support representative.
Via social media.
If you are more comfortable with social media, Verizon also offers support via their Twitter and Facebook channels. Simply send them a direct message outlining your issue, and a representative should respond and guide you through potential solutions.
In person at a Verizon store.
Lastly, if your issue is more complex or you simply prefer face-to-face interaction, you can visit a Verizon store. You can speak to a representative who will be able to assist with your problem. Store locations can be found on the Verizon website or via an online search. So, these are the 4 main ways to get in touch with Verizon to report an issue with your internet connection. It's important to remember to describe your issue as accurately as possible regardless of the method you choose. This will help the support representative identify and solve your issue more quickly. We hope you found this guide helpful. Have a great day!